Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bandit from Bluey. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start at the top and let's draw the first eye with a large oval. Then let's add another oval inside. Now on the right side, we're going to draw a line out. Then on top, let's draw a curve up and back down for the other eye. And again, a small oval inside. Now on top of each eye, we're going to draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on an angle. Then let's curve it up and around on top of each one. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the snout. From the line we drew earlier, let's draw a curve down on the right side here. Then at the bottom, let's bring it over to the left and curve it up. And add a small curve at the end. Then underneath, let's add a small curve down. Now we're going to hop inside and draw the nose. At the top, let's draw a curve down and angle it over. And then bring it up at the bottom. And then let's draw a small oval inside at the top. Now that we're done the face, let's move out and let's draw the shape of the body. At the top, let's draw a line across in between the eyebrows. Then let's hop over to the right and we're going to curve it down like this. Now let's move back to the top and let's continue the line over to the left. And then curve it down. Now let's bring it down for the side of the head. Now let's hop inside the head and let's draw a curve underneath the eye and over. Next, let's hop to the top of the head and draw the ears. Let's start on top of the left eyebrow and let's draw a line up. And then angle it down to the head. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw an angle up from the side. And angle it down as well. And then let's add a border inside each ear in the same way. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop down and let's continue the body. On the left, let's bring the line down. And another line down on the right side. Now let's hop in on the left and we're going to draw the arm. On the left, let's draw 2 lines down. Then underneath, a small bump on the left. And curve it out and back in for the first finger. Now let's add another curve next to it. And one more up to close off the hand. Now we're going to hop back up and we're going to draw a curve across the arm. Now that we're done the arm, let's move back out and let's continue drawing the body. On the left side, let's bring it down to the finger to close off the left side. Now top to the right, and let's bring it down and curve it in. And bring it over across the bottom. Now top in, and let's draw the pattern on the body. On the left, next to the arm, we're going to draw a curve down. And then let's hop over to the other side and draw the belly patch. Next to the arm, let's curve it up and then bring it across. Now at the end, let's curve it down. And now let's add a border inside. Let's draw a line across the top and curve it down on both ends. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body, and let's draw 2 lines down on the left and then 2 more next to it on the right side. Now underneath on the right, let's draw a curve down and then bring it down on the left. And close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. Now let's hop in, and let's draw 2 curves at the bottom for the toes. And then a curve across each of the legs. Now that we're done the legs, on the right, let's draw 2 bumps under the body here for the right hand. And now let's hop to the left and draw the tail. On the bottom left of the body, let's draw a curve out and down. Then underneath, let's draw a bump and another one underneath. Then from the end, let's curve it down and bring it back up like this. And then let's add 1 curve across inside. Lastly, let's draw some fur marks. Let's start in the top section, and let's draw some diagonal lines like this. And let's hop over and let's do some on the top right. Now on the curved patch on the left side, let's add a few inside here. And then lastly, a few more inside the top section of the tail. And that's it for Bandit. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!